blow you. That's not what I said. Step right up. Step right up. Watch them tear each other up. Got a tin full of tenants and delicate temperaments, peddling rhetoric, selling it like it's intelligence. Left lane lecturing, weaponized sentiment. Right side recycling lines with the same old emphasis. Pick you aside, now you're part of the pedantry. Package identity traded for anger and vanity. Clapping like trained up mechanical hands in the gallery. Nobody thinking, just echoing, canceling casually. You're the problem. No, you are. That's misinformation. You swear that a side's gonna straighten the sky, but it's staged and it's slanted. You're buying the lie. Step right up, pick your side again. Watch them fight like it's worth something. Left, right. Two wings flapping, crowd all cheers. Whole bird drifting year to year. Red, blue, painted red, painted blue. Same damn script dressed up for you. Laugh it up, ring that bell. Crooked bird flying straight to hell. Soft-spoken soldiers with slogan addictions, quoting convictions from scrolling addictions. Moral performance with zero condition and quick to division, no interest in listening. Half-read headlines, high horse habits, type like titans, real life static. Break real bonds over digital brackets, while the system just caches the chaos they traffic. Do your research. I did. That's biased. You're blind. Yeah, real impressive. Keyboard courage and curated perspective. You don't care, neither do you. Pick a side. Same broken axis you swear you defend. Still off balance again and again. Step right up, pick your side again. Watch them fight like it's worth something. Left, right. Truth got buried under the show, while the whole damn circus steals control. Red, blue, painted red, painted blue. Ain't a damn thing different out the view. Laugh it up, ring that bell. Crooked bird flying straight to hell. Same act, new night. Still don't fly, just leans and lies.